to start, you're going to need some of these blank bulb ornaments. I got mine from Hobby Lobby. And then just grab some Crayolas. Choose whatever colors you want. I'm going with a variety of colors. Once you have your crayons chosen, cut them all in half. Alright, now that we have our crayons cut in half, unscrew the cap and choose some colors to coincide. Then screw on the cap, and you can even make multiple of these. I'm just doing a couple. Here's how these look, and I really like them. Now, as an added detail, you can take a paint marker and draw along the side. I wrote number 1 on this one. I know it's hard to see, but there it is. Then make sure it fully dries. And I wrote teach with a heart on this one. And then let these dry. And once your paint marker has dried, just put some matte Mod Podge over them, and it should look really good after that. So these are how the ornament should look after you matte Mod Podge them. So now just take some ribbon. Mine is this really thin ribbon that I'm going to use as the ornament hanger. So just thread it through the top of your ornaments, then tie it in a knot at the top, and repeat on all the ornaments that you made. I made 2. So these are how our ornaments turned out. I love these. These are actually super cute, and I'm really happy with how they came out. Thank you guys for joining today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays!